Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to restore an archive project inside of FieldGenius. So this allows you to take projects that you've backed up and then restore them into your project, allowing you to continue working on them. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I have FieldGenius open and I'm on my project manager, and in the top right corner there are 3 dots that I'm going to need to select. In my menu here, I'm going to click on Restore Project, and then I'm going to browse my device to where I have this archive file saved. Once I've located it and selected it, I'm going to click on Open here, and now I can restore the project by clicking the aptly named Restore button in the bottom right corner. And as you can see, I now have this XML profile project ready to be worked upon. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you restore a backed up project inside of FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out, helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.